Successful people make a decision and then they take action on that decision. Less successful people, those of us that struggle, we are reluctant to make that initial decision. We move through it and we kind of try a little bit of stuff, but we never commit. We never really go full bore. Think of a rhinoceros. Think of a rhino in the African jungle. They will put their head down and they will charge. They just put their head down and charge. They make a decision. They commit to it. They go forward. And they bulldoze everything out of their way as they do that, as they put their head down and they stay committed. So I'm encouraging you today, whether you need it for your podcast, to hire a company like ours to take off all of the hard stuff, like the post-production and all of the graphics and emailing your guest for you. Maybe you need that. Maybe that'll help you save 12 hours a week. Or maybe it's that you need to start doing some marketing for your company. Maybe it's that you need to start doing social media more. Perhaps you've avoided social media because you're afraid. You're scared. You're not sure. You're a little timid. You're like, I don't want to offend anyone, so I'm not sure if I want to do this on social media. Or I'm not sure if I got the money, so I don't know. I don't want to pay for some marketing. Or I don't know. I can do it as good as I need it to edit my own podcast. And I don't mind spending those 12 hours a week editing one episode. And so I'm not going to do that. Whatever it is for you, I need you to think. I need you to consider. As soon as you're done listening to this episode, I need you to ponder for a little bit and think to yourself, what is it that I need to make a decision about and just stick to it? And I will be a little vulnerable and be honest with you about something that I'm doing. And I went and did my bodybuilding competition. And then in the next day and a half, I think I gained 16 pounds from 186 or 0.9, like about 187 pounds, up to 203 pounds in just the next day. It was like the afternoon of the one day and then the evening of the following day, I gained 16 pounds. Yeah, of course, it can't all be fat. It can't all be muscle. It can't all be water. It's a combination of things. I probably ate a lot of food. It got stuck in my gut. I was probably on a calorie deficit. The point being that I gained it real fast and then it was hard to get it off.